Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Scrapyard. Um, Today I got some stash ads and a little small update. Um, won a few fairly good auctions over the week. That's what and got some good deals. Um, First off, what is this? Let's see if I can get it in the frame. It's in the boxes. Big. 112 scale Lindbergh Fiat Topolino altered. I thought it was 1/16 when I bid on it, but it's 1/12. Um, I'll probably build it. I'll have a mouse invasion here at some point. Now I got a bunch of smaller 125 scale Topolinos. Um, but we'll get into that at some point. Um, Next up, we have 68 Revell 68 Chevelle Super Sport 396. I kind of want to build this car because, but not as a 396, not as a big block car, but as a regular, 302 or something. There's a story. My dad had one when I was a kid, and I was about 12, 13 years old. He had a 68, and it was just a just a regular old Malibu Chevelle, but it had a Earl Shives paint job on it, man. It was like a navy, dark, dead navy blue, and I don't know. I guess I must have been maybe 12, maybe 13, and he decided he's going to, see if I could. He put me to work trying to buff that dead paint up, man. Right? So he put me out there with some rubbing compound, put me to rubbing. Well, I rubbed it through, and underneath that bad Earl Shives paint was a nice coat of that medium blue GM metallic, man, from them. So I ended up spending about a month and a half, going out there every day after school, rubbing that thing with rubbing compound. Not because I wanted to, but because my dad was making me to. But anyway, I just want to build a copy of that car. It'd be kind of cool. And then this is my big buy over the weekend. I really think whoever listed this messed up and put their starting bid as a buy it now, because I got this for such a cheap price, man. It was. Let's check this out. Sealed, still in the pack, right? All right. There's the original price tag on it. 107, suggested price 150, right? But this thing is neat, man. This is a kit. It's MPC, one of the first kits MPC put out, but somehow or another AMT ended up with the molding, with the tooling. Um, this one here only has the station wagon parts in it. The later release of it added the pickup parts in the bicycle, and at one time they had the surf curl dude. Well, that's it for my stash ads. I got a little work doing, and I was sitting around contemplating what I had to do on this rail, on this dragster for the old home build, and got to messing around with my little project I had. I was waiting for some 2x4s. Stake bed for my 34, one of my 34 Fords. I was building this stake bed. Come out all right. I still got to make the hardware to connect it all together. It's, if I remember right, it's been a while since I've been around a stake bed truck, but if I remember right, they had like a little matching loop thing, man, with a pin that went in it to hold the corners together. But I'll figure something out on that. That's coming along pretty good. But back to the old Tom competition coupe slash dragster. It's coming along. I've done a little progress. Starting to get a better look at. I don't show up good on that background. It's white, man. Hang on a minute. Let me find something else to put it on. Be right back. Maybe this will help. Get darker background. Oh yeah, it helps see a little bit. But you know, it's coming right along. I made my engine front plate. So now the engine sits in there the way it's going to. Nothing's glued up yet. It's just kind of mocked up. I've got all my bars in my chassis. All the bars I'm gonna put. The thing that gave me the most problem was the radius rods in the front. Man, I think the next time I'll go with the wishbone type instead of the ones that come out with the you know, like I say, it's just mocked up. But front suspension coming along pretty good. Like I said, I was waiting for some brass to come in so I could do them more in the scale. The radius rods, that's half millimeter brass rod, which would make it a half inch radius rod. But anyway, I just cut them, and I had some heim joints I printed out, and I used the heads off of those on this end, and then on the other end I cut a piece of 2 millimeter inside diameter tubing and cut those slivers off of it to make the mounts for that front axle on the front axle. It's coming along all right. I mean, I'm happy with it so far. I know I'm a slow builder, guys. I mean, I've always told you from the start I was a slow builder. But the two little bars in the front, are to carry the fuel tank. I can't balance it on there right now, but when I glue it on, it'll be, you know, in there like that. And I still have to come up with the mechanical fuel pump added to the front of it, you know, in the pulley system for my blower. But it's coming along. I've got the body about where I want it. Won't be long. I'll be throwing some primer on this thing, and getting it in paint. Well, anyway, there's a look at that, and that's all I got for now. I mean, I'm sorry I ain't got more progress made, but you know, like I said, I'm a slow builder, and sometimes I might spend 2 or 3 days just thinking about something before I do it. But that's it for today. Like, subscribe, share. Y'all have a good day. Bye.